5 a.m. 14 September 2024 Laga Center Denkimo'apam Karbi Festival Anglong Songsi Fishery Ihut. This is on top of the hill. Fishery is being dug up and water is plenty here. This water looks not clean, but it's very clean. You know, it's really quite amazing. This is my place center, Denkimo'apam Karbi Festival Complex. If you go to Anglong coming from Nagaland via Dipu, you will have to make your eyes on the right side of the road. And if it is you are going towards Dipu, Nagaland, you will be on the left hand side. So that is the National Highway 29, 4-laning. It's really amazing place here. This is called rock garden as well, and you will love it. And you know, water right here on top of the hill means you are completely beautiful. And this is the gym center. We have got AC, and some 25 years ago nothing is here, but I really miss. And then this organizing committee of the Karbi festival every year here, preserving water and natural water body here means it's really you know, hats off to them for doing this beautiful and this holy things right here. Okay, nice.